Okay, so in this video, I want to go over the difference between pages and posts. So a page is a static page. So it is something that is not going to change. And we compare it to a post is dynamic. So we think about posts, we think about blog posts. A post is going to have an author, a date, and a time. We can associate tags with it as well. We can organize in WordPress our post by categories, and we could bring the categories to the menu bar. Okay, so here goes. So let's start with the page. So we come to all pages, and I'm going to take a look at my about page. So I'm going to hit edit, and I'm going to come on in. Now again, for each theme, it's going to be a little bit different. For the theme that I have a couple different options. So I have it set at full width. I could set a feature image for it if I'd like to. And I can come in and I can add some content. I can say, welcome to Peace Seedlings. Okay, wonderful. Now, as I take a look, I can work with some of these different features. Bold, italics, bullet lists, numbers. I can add a block quote. I can align. Okay. Now, when I click this toggle bar, I have more options as well. So all of these different things that we're seeing in here. I can also add media. So if I want to add an image, I can do that. This image should not be there. I can add a video, all that good stuff. Wonderful. Oopsie. And I just lost it. So let's come on back in. I'm going to put it one more time. I'm just going to add this little easy piece, and I'm going to hit update, and I can view my page. And we should see the content should come on in a minute. The next thing I'm going to take a look at is creating a blog post. Okay, there we have it. Now I can come back into and change this. I'll show you how to do that in a couple videos. Okay, but let's go back. Let's take a look at a post. Okay, so I'm going to come on in. I'm going to come to my posts. Now, what you'll find is that your WordPress theme will have some default ones. So we have this hello world. All right, so how do we add a post? First thing, we come to the posts. We click on the posts. We hit add new. All right, let's take a look at some of our images, some of our ideas here. So I'm going to put, let's say this blog post is going to be benefits of meditation. Now, I want to look at where is it going to go. I'm going to hit and click right on to the meditation category because that's where it goes. I'm going to add tags. I'm going to add meditation as a tag. Add. I could put in mindfulness. All right, all the different words that are going to come with this. Now, why would you use tags? You would use tags. One, there's different widgets that will feature tags, but tags are used and help with search engine optimization, how your image is found. So I could find some more as well. I could select a featured image. So I'm going to upload a file. I'm going to select a file, and I'm going to make this as my featured image. Okay, it's coming on in. I'm going to set it as the featured image. Okay. Now I'm going to put content goes here. All right, I don't have my content just yet. I'm going to come on down to the bottom here. Now, we can also set the author. Okay, right now it's going to be based on who's logged in. Okay, so I'm going to hit publish just for now. And I want to just show you one thing, and we'll see that it has, you know, a date and a time. Now, if I come on and I visit my site, and now when I come and I click on to, because I put that post in meditation, as I come to meditation and click, that post will log. So there we have it, benefits of meditation. Now, this page does have this sidebar, and I can look at changing that up if I'd like to, which will be pretty easy to do. Okay, so I could click onto here and take a look and read this. When I click onto this, it's going to actually, I clicked the wrong thing. It's just going to say content goes here because I haven't added anything just yet. So we can also click onto the page and the information will come up under there. Okay, so there we have it, difference between pages and posts. I want to show you one more thing. When we come to our dashboard and we take a look at our posts, we can do quick edits. So I come to all posts and I will see them featured like so, and I can do a quick edit and I can change things up. Now I can also, I'm the only person who is a user here, so I'm set as the author. But if you wanted to add a new user as well, you could then change the author. So you can have multiple users on a WordPress website, and you can change, they can be just authors. You can have them be editors, administrators, and again, when you go to quick edit, you could change who was the person who wrote it. I will be the author because this is my profile set up here. All right, so there we have it. A quick overview of the difference between pages and posts.